This is the brand new 2025 Porsche 911 GT3, a machine so pure, so unapologetically built for driving pleasure, that even in a world full of electric supercars, it stands as a roaring reminder of what true performance feels like. The GT3 has always been about connection between driver, car, and the road. And in 2025, Porsche has taken that philosophy and turned it up to 11. Under that sleek rear deck lid sits a 4.0-liter naturally aspirated flat-six engine, revving all the way to 9,200 RPM. No turbos, no hybrid assistance, just pure mechanical fury. And now, it delivers an insane 520 horsepower, sent exclusively to the rear wheels. Porsche has managed to refine this engine even further. Sharper throttle response, a meteor mid-range, and that signature wail that could make angels cry. And here's the best part. You can still get it with a 6-speed manual gearbox. Yes, in 2025, a car that costs 6 figures still lets you row your own gears. Of course, there's also Porsche's lightning-fast PDK dual clutch, if you prefer blistering lap times over heel-and-toe heroics. Whichever you choose, every shift feels like a direct line to the car's soul. The 2025 GT3 isn't just about power, it's about precision. The new front fascia channels air with surgical efficiency, and that massive swan neck rear wing, it's not just for looks. At top speed, it generates nearly 400 kilograms of downforce. But somehow, Porsche's designers made it look elegant, a mix of aggression and timeless beauty. From the sculpted LED headlights to the subtle carbon fiber touches, every inch screams performance without trying too hard. Step inside and you'll see why Porsche continues to dominate the driver's car segment. Lightweight bucket seats hug you tight, and the Alcantara-wrapped steering wheel feels like an extension of your hands. Still, it's 2025, so you do get modern tech. A sleek infotainment screen, wireless CarPlay, and adaptive suspension modes mean this GT3 can still handle the daily commute. The GT3 isn't just another sports car, it's a legacy. One that traces its roots back to Porsche's racing DNA. And with this 2025 model, Porsche proves something powerful. Of course, all this comes at a price. Expect it to start around $190,000 before options. The GT3 is art in motion, a car that connects man and machine in a way no EV can replicate. This is the 2025 Porsche GT3. Not just a car, a statement, a symbol, a legend reborn. If you loved this video, hit that like button, drop a comment below, and tell me, would you choose this over an electric supercar? Make sure to subscribe for more automotive legends, and as always, keep driving with passion.